Good day, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is August the 13th, 2025. And let's take a look at Minneapolis Spring Wheat. This is the weekly nearby chart on bar chart. And this is going back to 1980. I'm showing you here. And I'm going to show you something that's kind of neat here. So take a look at this chart here. And you can see we got these highs back in 1980, right? And that's when probably agriculture maybe peaked. Well, it did peak, really, land values and everything else around that time. And look how that level has been very significant, dating back. So right around that $5 level, $5 psychologically strong level. So it's acted as resistance. Now the previous highs, I remember when my buddy Jason said the old highs are the new lows. And you know what, in terms of spring wheat, he's been right. Look at that. That $5 level, when price gets down there, the buyers step in, supporting the price. And it's kind of interesting to see where this goes. So take a look at these patterns here. Prior to every rally, we see what we call a stage 1 accumulation. Consolidating sideways, start making new highs. Stage 2 markup. We get a pullback, and then somewhere through here, we have a stage 3 distribution, and then we have a stage 4 decline. Maybe your stage 3 distribution starts up here, but I mean, this is probably where it starts and where the stage 4 decline here starts. So right now, we're also consolidating sideways. So is it reminiscent of this period here? It could be. Or is it reminiscent of this period here? Do we have further to go? I mean, we can take a look at our moving averages here. But right now, it's hard to tell what we're looking at. I'm hoping this is a stage 1 accumulation and the new rally will be starting, maybe this new crop here. It's hard to say. But I want to keep monitoring this chart pattern on the weekly chart. I want to get above this green 50-week moving average. And really, you need to get above $6 to really, feel good about the price of spring wheat, hard red spring wheat. So, keep an eye on this. If we break below 570 or 560, then I think we're going down to lower prices. I'm going to show you something kind of neat here. This is you will recall, it's a couple of years ago now, we talked about this head and shoulders pattern. Look like it had formed here. And the left shoulder head and the right shoulder. If I draw my neckline across here, we broke across the neckline somewhere in here, 2023, somewhere in that year. And it was definitely confirmed below here. But if we do a measured move, what we do with a head and shoulders measured move is to come up with a price target where the price could go. So you take the peak at, say, 1410, say our neckline's here at 870. What is that? That's 540. So you take 870 minus the difference, 540, and that takes us down to $3.30 a bushel. Now that's hard to imagine. That would take us back down to these, 20 years ago, the same price as 20 years ago, back when I was farming, right? So hard to imagine it could get there, but as my good friend Bill told me one day, he said, Trent, never is a long time. So we can't say it'll never happen. We want to be wary of it, but again, it's not going to happen tomorrow. I just want to show you how we use chart patterns to come up with possible or potential price targets and bring that awareness to you so you can implement that in your future. But there's a lot of supply to work through between 480 and I would argue 580. So I don't think if it goes lower, it's not going to happen. Unlikely to happen very soon. I shouldn't say not. Unlikely to. So keep an eye on that. Let's look at the daily to see what's going on there. Yeah, you can see we had the contract change, but we're trading below these 200-day moving average. 50 is overhead. It's declining. It's going to have what they call a death cross where the 50 drops below the 200 here. I don't know. Maybe the end of August, first part of September. The old saying, nothing good is expected to happen below a 200-day moving average, and I think we have to be wary of that. So the daily is definitely in a downtrend. The weekly is in a downtrend also, and I'm hoping this is a stage 1 accumulation. But again, if it breaks below 560, then I think we're not. It's going lower, much lower, probably down to that $5 480 level. So anyways, keep an eye on it. Let's cross your fingers, hope for the best. My name is Trent Klarenbach. Sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.